Dear students, welcome to the demonstration. Today, our experiment is familiarization of digital IC trainer kit. See, this digital IC trainer kit is mainly used for constructing prototype digital circuits and verify its input and outputs. There are lot of facilities are available in this digital IC trainer kit. They are, first section is power supply section, which is consist of plus 5 volt, minus 5 volt, plus 12 volt, minus 12 volt and corresponding ground provided here. Now the other sections are digital IC sockets. Whenever we are using the digital ICs which are directly connected or inserted into this digital IC sockets, there are two setups are provided for this kind of arrangements. And now I am telling you an important part of digital IC trainer kit, which is breadboard. There are two sets of breadboard is provided here for constructing the prototype digital IC circuits. And you can see here 10 number of input switches which are having two positions. This kind of switches are called toggle switches. They switches into high and low. If it is changed into the position of upper, you can provide plus 5 volt to the circuit, and it change into the lower position, it provide the low volt or 0 volt. Hence we can select 0, high and low position by using this switches. And you can see there are 10 number of indicators which corresponded to the respective switches. We can take the connections from these springs providing here. Okay, now so these sets of input logic switches are used to provide input plus or high or low inputs to this prototype constructed digital circuits. And now here it is available of output section of indicators. You can see there are 10 number of springs corresponding to the 10 number of outputs, and also there are 10 number of indicators which used to indicate the current output position of the circuit. Now I can tell you there is a digital display which is used to the again it is also used to the output status. And coming to the main supply portion, you can see an AC socket for input, applying input cable here. You just insert the AC cable to the sockets and switch on the power supply. Then it can be switch on and switch off here. Okay, right now you can see the working condition of the digital IT trainer kit by on the LED. Now I am telling you how to insert an digital IC. This is a digital IC of 7400 series which is connected like so. You just care about insert the pin of ICs into the breadboard. And so this is the basic idea of how to insert the digital ICs into the breadboard. Now I am telling you how to take the logic input to the circuit. Just use this spring and using this single strand wire to taking the input side. and you can take the input of to the digital circuit and just insert to the breadboard. Now take the output and verify the output by connecting the input into the output section. Now you can check the condition of breadboard by, sorry, here it is, the position is want to be connect first output, maybe no problem. See, the switch is, now it is switch at the position of 0, so there is no output section indicate the any status of the result. Now I change the position into high, then you can verify the input position from this output section, and now I turn it into the low position, the output is goes down. So this is the basic idea about the digital IC trainer kit. So I think all of you get a idea about the digital IC trainer kit, which is used to construct the prototype digital circuits in our laboratories. Thank you very much.